What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today I'm pretty stoked. I just got my bags packed. I'm about to go catch a flight out of here. And so looking forward to that. Not going to tell you guys where yet. You guys will get some updates throughout the week, or at least when I get back. I'll be gone for about 8 days. And when I get back, I'll update you guys with some videos, some pictures, all that cool stuff about where I went. I don't have a passport yet, so it won't be out of the country, unfortunately, but working on getting that passport. I need to get that done because I love traveling, and I'm almost out of places to go in America. It's not the coolest place I'm going, but it's going to be pretty cool, and it's a place I've never been. I've been almost everywhere in America, so I only have a few states left, really, to hit. So looking forward to get out of here and just enjoy my time, but you know, that's what's so cool about working online and doing Shopify, doing YouTube, selling a course, doing all those different types of things. It's really cool that, you know, first of all, you have the money to be able to go do whatever you want. And then not only do you have the money to go do whatever you want, but you have all the free time in the world to go do whatever you want. So I didn't have to ask anybody, can I leave? Can I go on vacation? Can I do this? How long can I be gone? Who's going to cover my stuff while I'm gone? I didn't have to worry about any of that stuff. And it's so nice. It's not like, oh, is this trip worth the 2 weeks vacation that I'm going to lose? Because if I go on this trip, then guess what? I don't have any vacation at all for the rest of the year, and so then I'm stuck in my job with it, you know, and what if something comes up and I want to go somewhere and I can't because I'm out of vacation? It's just stupid. Like, it's so stupid that we are put in that box. The fact that we're put in that box where we have to go to work 8 hours a day, you get 2 weeks of vacation, which is like nothing when you're comparing it to an entire year. You know, you go on one little trip, you know, and you have to choose it wisely because that's the only one you get for the whole year, and then you're just stuck there. And then there's no worse feeling than being out of vacation early in a year, and then, you know, you're screwed. It's so annoying, and then, you know, it's just annoying. And so I'm really glad to not have to worry about that anymore. I didn't have to ask anyone to leave. I literally booked the flight last night. I'm like, you know, I feel like going somewhere, booked the flight last night, boom. Leaving today, and it's freaking awesome. So you guys are gonna get some updates on that, where I'm going and what I'm doing, but just want to say that it's freaking awesome to be able to have the money to be able to do whatever you want, to have the freedom to be able to go wherever you want, whenever you want, without asking anybody, without anyone telling you can you do it or not, and then having the money to be able to buy whatever you want while you're there. It's just the best of both worlds. It's the ultimate freedom, and I love it. So I want you guys to have that same freedom. So just, you know, trying to help you guys out as much as I can to help you get there the way I did with Shopify and YouTube. Both of those have been very instrumental, and I'm killing it this month. I'll give you an update when I get back from vacation on how this month's gone, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to smash my highest month ever. So going through some more channels, and I thought you guys would find this one interesting. So if you literally type in Elon Musk and hit search, look at this top video, Elon Musk viral videos. Keep going down. This is a genius channel. Like, I'm really, really surprised with this one. Elon Musk viral videos. Look right there. And then Elon Musk viral videos. Elon Musk viral videos. You see what this guy's doing right here? So let's take a look at it. And as you will see here, all it is videos of Elon Musk talking. So just literally Elon Musk, and look, he's got ads for days, dude. This is probably the smartest thing I've ever seen. All it is videos of Elon Musk talking. That's literally all it is Elon Musk talking videos. It's crazy, dude. So literally just Elon Musk talking, and that's all it is here. So you know, that's really, really impressive. And then, so it's smart because seriously, he is all over the front page. If you type in Elon Musk, it's nothing but him. So that's a really smart thing. So he found one celebrity that's not on the news 24/7, because if he's on the news 24/7, you're going to be moved down the rankings by CNN and NBC and all that stuff. But if you find a guy who's really, really popular, that a lot of people like to listen to, that talks a lot in interviews, says a lot of interesting things, and people search for him a lot, but there is no channel on that guy, and he's not on the news all the time. It's just a genius thing to do, and not that many people have done Elon Musk videos. So this guy was a genius for doing this. He has a bunch of videos that have over 1 million views on them. So this is kind of the brainstorming things that I do, and this is how I'm able to make so much money, because I find things like this that are like small niches that'll work really, really well. So if we take a look at this guy's channel, you'll see. So let's do the math on this. So 35 million. So we'll say a 10% click-through rate, which I teach how to get that 10% click-through rate. That's a really high click-through rate, but in my course I teach exactly how you can get 10% click-through rate. And then multiply that by 3 cents per view. Look at how much money he's probably already made. $106,000. Yeah, all just posting Elon Musk videos. It's nuts. And so he didn't even really start until, let's take a look at his oldest videos here. Look, he didn't start until 10 months ago. So in 10 months, he's made what did I say? $106,000. Over $100,000 in 10 months doing this. So this is what I'm talking about just brainstorming, finding things that you think will work and help you out. But so just one example of, people who are getting it done, people who, are literally doing what I'm teaching and making it work. So really, really cool stuff there. And so that's about all I have for this video, but it's all about branching out, guys. Finding different ways to make money. So I can fly out to my destination. Follow me on Instagram if you want to know where I'm going. It's not the most shocking place in the world, but it'll be really fun. Looking forward to it. Never been there. And then remember, you can get YouTube and Shopify course for free if you subscribe, like, and comment on the video. I'm giving that away to one lucky winner in about 8 or 9 days. So one lucky winner. And then other than that, I got my YouTube course in the description on sale, and then I have my Shopify course on sale as well. So make sure you take a look at